FPV, man. Hey guys, I just came across this right here. These right here would actually be perfect as well if you can find this. These will work too, but they're a little more pricey. Like these nails are like 90 cents each. Wow. But the good thing about these is once you drive them into the ground, they have all the thread on the rod, so it's gonna stay in the ground easier. We're gonna see if this gets pulled out of the ground. These really large ones, they don't have any threading, but because they're so long and big, I'm feeling like it's not going to be a problem. But as you can see, if you were to buy this instead, it's still going to fit in the pipe. You see that there? This is 1/2 inch outside diameter, this is 1/2 inch inside diameter. You see the idea. Get you some PVC, get you some long nails or threaded rod, and drive it into the ground and make you some loops. Make a course. Didn't anticipate the hoops or PVC piping blending in with the sand. I can't see it at all. So, yeah, give it one more shot. What it means is like you play Call of Duty. Yeah. It's like first person shooter. This is first person drone, so first person view. That's what FPV stands for, because you're viewing out of the camera from the goggles. You just watch the goggles and you can see what the
Kaiser, A, rip up the beat.
It's not hard at all too. You can easily get into it. You can buy stuff that's like already pre-built and just like buy like a controller, goggles, and a drone like combo and just turn it on, bind everything up, kind of like sync it like you do Bluetooth to a phone or something, and then fly it, man. It's pretty fun. Thanks, bro. But yeah, I was trying to fly through those loops, but it's so windy out here, it's too hard. I kept crashing into the pole. Yeah, man. You too, bro.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Sir Brat from the future, and thank you for watching my video. If you got this far to the end, I give you major daps. If you have time to smash that like button and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that. Peace out.